Let's talk about how to get this incredible glow to your foundation while using a full coverage matte finish foundation. It's so easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. First off, I am using double wear foundation, which might come as a shock because you might think that it can only be matte, but the truth is it's so versatile. So I mix it with my Avène Sickle Fate Restorative Moisturizing Cream. That cream literally saves my life. You can mix it with anything or use it alone, but no matter what, it always gives your skin the most beautiful finish. So glowy, it's incredible. So after I mix in my moisturizer and my foundation, I mix those two together and then actually apply it to my skin with my fingertips. Now I'm going back in and I'm blending out with my Stands Out sponge. It blends out perfectly. It's so flawless. Then I'm still using my sponge, but this time I'm applying my bronzer. This is just a cream bronzing stick from Clinique, and I put it all over my face, anywhere that I want a natural bronze tan. And then I always put it on my eyelids as well, just for a beautiful base eyeshadow, or if I don't want to wear eyeshadow, I don't have to. I can just use that. Now I go in with my cream blush and apply it in the same areas as my bronzer. This gives an all-over flush to the skin, so it looks like you're naturally tanned and have actually been out in the sun. Now I go in with a brightening concealer, and I actually conceal kind of twice. The first time I conceal to brighten my skin, the center of my skin, I do the same amount on each side. And then the second time, I'll go in and I'll just brighten under my eyes, which is in the most hollow part of my eye. Then I go in with the secret weapon. This is what's actually going to give you the brightest, most glowy skin. And what I love about it is that it's clear. So it doesn't have a golden or a pink undertone. It just gives you sheen and shine. This is the Hints Illuminating Stick. It is gorgeous, flawless.